Welcome back. We're continuing the news. One medical expert is reiterating calls for young girls to take the HPV vaccine. This is very critical in preventing cervical cancer. Shamela Pullen tells us more in the health report.
The human papillomavirus HPV is a common sexually transmitted infection. It does not present symptoms and typically goes away by itself, but it can sometimes cause serious illness.
About 80% in young adults. You can almost take it for granted that if a young adult, when I say a young adult, I'm talking about a 20-year-old, 21-year-old, 22-year-old comes to your office and you decide to do HPV testing on that person, then more than likely that person will be positive for HPV. But there are over 100 different types of HPV, and some strains are more likely to cause cancer than other strains.
Consultant gynecologist and obstetrician Dr. Raquel Gibson says the virus is responsible for causing genital warts and cervical cancer.
In Jamaica, cervical cancer is the second leading cause of cancer in women. It's second to breast cancer. So it is still, and actually we can prevent cervical cancer. So for a cancer that is preventable, it really should not be the second leading cause of cancers in women. So I do think, and cervical cancer has everything to do with the HPV virus.
There is no cure for HPV, and doctors can only treat the causes. However, Dr. Gibson says prevention is key. She recommends regular pap smears and taking the HPV vaccine.
The age at which you can actually begin taking the vaccine is ideally from age 10, actually. However, I think more needs to be done. You can get the vaccine with most pediatricians, or you can get the vaccine from a gynecologist's office. So in terms of dosages, you have, if you're less than 15, there are only 2 doses. So it's 0 and 6 months. If you're over 15, then it's 3 doses, 0, 2 months, and 6 months.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.